frost today. Everyone can load up their normal machines. There's only 35 days left, so any mistakes we make now are hard to fix. So if you're not sure about anything, don't do something.
I mean, this is pretty good, but we could smooth it out even a little bit more. My name's Craig Brocksch. I'm the course manager here at Ullna Golf Club. Ullna is one of the top courses in Sweden. It's about 30 years old. It got renovated in 2013 by Jack Nicklaus. No, that's pretty good. Most of this we can vary and make it smooth. So in 35 days, this green should be the 15th green for the competition. So we should have groups of golfers coming down here, spectators lining the fairways hopefully. There's going to be a lot of eyes on Ullna for that week. A lot of people watching on TV. It's a good challenge for us. It's fun to be a part of something like that. Husqvarna come in, they're going to start setting up some mowers today, tomorrow. So that's going to be interesting to see how they're going to help us.
It will end with 2 cleaning laps, just going around the perimeter. Yeah.
The goal is to have the course as close to perfect as we can get it. We want the members to see their course on TV and be proud of it, and we also want the guys to have a good experience setting up the course for the event.